I'm Ed Shin, president of Crossroads Insurance Recovery. Subject matter we're going to cover today is what's called AOB, Assignment of Benefits. This began actually many years ago, but it's just come to the forefront, especially in North Carolina and Florida, due to the last major hurricanes. We had Hurricane Florence in North Carolina, and then Hurricane Michael in Florida. And at first it seemed like a good idea that the contractor would just have an AOB, or assignment of the benefits, from the insured to go directly to the contractor. That way the contractor was assured that he would receive the monies he was entitled to go ahead and get the repairs done. You have to think that the location that was actually insured, in most cases, was either severely damaged and or is no longer there. So if the money was being sent from the insurance carrier to that location, mail may no longer be going to that area, or there may not be someone responsible at that location that could actually accept the money. By having the monies go directly to the contractor's office, everyone knew that the money was in place, they could go ahead and get the repairs done, and it worked out pretty well. However, what had occurred, unfortunately, was a lot of contractors were taking advantage of that. What they would do is, one, either begin the repairs and no longer come back, already knowing that the money's coming to them, and or do shoddy work hastily. Just get the work done and get out of there and get to the next one. The insurance carrier started getting, let's say, complaints from the insureds about that. Got to a point where something needed to be done. This really created an issue recently in the state of Florida. Insurers and others urged the Supreme Court to limit the assignment of benefits. Florida's new AOB, or Assignment of Benefits Insurance Law, is conjuring up a storm, and the insurance industry asked the Florida Senate AOB practice overhaul. It's become a very hot topic right now. Another party to this claim resolution, let's say, is the mortgage company. The mortgage company feels that they're entitled to have this money, as it usually is for everything else, fires, floods, whatever, go to the mortgage company. They can go ahead and have the funds in their account, set up a repair account for the contractors, and then release funds as the repairs are completed at each stage. Doing a direct assignment of benefits to a contractor removes that possibility for the mortgage company. As the consumer, they still have to make mortgage payments, and if the funds are no longer available in their possession, they're at the contractor's location, the mortgage company still wants to get paid. That's creating an issue for the insured. So on an overall basis, this practice of AOB, or assignment of benefits, is in reality not working out as it was designed. If you had a disagreement or dispute with the contractor that you had hired to go ahead and get your repairs done, you could at least communicate with the insurance company, communicate with the insurance company's adjuster, or directly to the contractor and say, I'm dissatisfied, I want to look at someone else being able to take it from this point forward. With an AOB assigned to the contractor, you no longer have that opportunity. Your money is now in their possession, not yours. So if you're dissatisfied or they do not return to do the repairs, what's your recourse now? What's your legal recourse now? When you do an AOB, or an assignment of a benefit, you, the named insured, are removed from the payment. It goes directly to the contractor. So you, even though you're making the premium payments and your location is what is actually insured, your money goes directly to the contractor. So again, if you have issues with the work of the contractor, the quality of the repairs, or just the dispute as far as pricing is concerned, how do you intend to resolve that? There are many more issues that occur in an insurance claim adjustment. One of them is what's called ALE, which is additional living expenses. Items that restoration companies know nothing about. Contractors only care about one thing, and that is bricks and sticks. They're not out there concerned about dollars and cents like licensed public adjusters are. ALE is for your additional living expenses. The money that you're going to need to spend and get recouped from your insurance carrier for staying at hotels while your repairs are being done. The additional meals that you're going to have to purchase since you have no home to do your cooking in. The additional miles that you have to drive from where your insured location is to either your hotel or wherever you may be staying. It could be family or whomever in another state. These are items that you're actually entitled to based on your policy to be compensated for. Contractors are not going to tell you anything about that because they don't know anything about that. Again, their motivation is bricks and sticks. Let's get this thing repaired. Let's move on to the next one. A licensed and bonded public adjuster, such as Crossroads Insurance Recovery is, we're a consumer advocate. It's our responsibility to make certain that anything that our client is rightfully entitled to based on the policy that they purchased for a covered peril loss that they sustain, that they get financially compensated correctly. That's our responsibility. So hiring a contractor, yes, they're going to be necessary to put it back together, but please do not allow them in any way, and especially since it's against the law in most states, you have to be licensed to be able to be involved in an insurance claim adjustment, although they'll tell you, no you don't, they can do what we do, and you don't have to pay them a fee. Completely incorrect. They're not being honest with you up front. Licensed and bonded public insurance adjusters are there to take care of the consumer 100%. Should you have any questions or concerns on this matter at all, please feel free to give us a call. You can contact us at either 1-877-436-2112 or 713-369-4300. Gladly answer any questions you happen to have. You don't have to retain our service, just call us. We can help you. Links to the articles that we had discussed earlier will be included at the bottom of this video, so feel free. Check them out. Again, any questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.